Hey everybody, a little bit of a rant today. So there's this bizarre idea that I see, it keeps cropping up, and I wish so badly it would go away. And it's this idea that using reference is somehow cheating. I don't know where it came from. It seems to stem from some sense that it's stealing, it's going to make you unoriginal. There's some misguided pride wrapped up in it. All of this is misplaced. Research any great artist from Norman Rockwell to James Gurney, they're all using reference. You can even go way back to Vermeer and Da Vinci and others who were using something called a camera obscura to straight up trace images that they were projecting onto walls and canvases that were hanging there. Show me an artist who's working at a high level, who has a highly developed skill set, and I'm going to show you somebody that's using reference. There's no such thing as an artist who has that highly developed skill set who isn't using reference. And you can say that Kim Jong Yi isn't using reference or whatever, but that's because he's used reference so much. It's so deeply internalized that it's become muscle memory. If anything, he's quite literally the exception that proves the rule. Of course, there are more and less effective ways to use reference. Uh, Copying is still a thing. I've linked to an article below that discusses this in a very constructive sort of way. But if anybody is telling you that using reference is cheating, they're either ignorant or they're trolling you. They're just trying to get a rise out of you, or they feel so insecure about their own place in the world that they have to drag you down somehow. Don't listen to them. All right. Take care. I'll see you later.